So guys, it's random for Breakers Row 1 box. Going live. Timestamp is 828. Already have the teams and the names in. Dice has to be 4 more. We do randomize both the teams and the name. Throw you in a spreadsheet. Wherever you end up is who you get. 7 times on the teams. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Dolphins on top. Oh, Dan Marino. WLNJTF is the code for the teams. Now let's do the names. Again, 4 more. Going 5 times. 2, 3, 4, 5. Derek on top. And Dave Jenkins on the bottom. GJEQPL. Code for the names. There you go, guys. That's who everybody has. And we are done. Thanks and good luck. Timestamp 829.